Hey everybody, I'm Ryan with Home Team Energy, and today we're here to talk about how to choose the right solar panel. So there's three things that I would encourage you to look at when you're looking at your solar panel selections. Number one is going to be aesthetics, number two is efficiency, and number three is going to be the warranty. As far as aesthetics go, there's really only two types that we're looking at these days. On the left-hand side, we have a black frame solar panel, and on the right-hand side, we have a silver or mill finish frame solar panel. Um, Most residential applications today have the black frame. It looks a little bit nicer. You don't see that grid pattern up there quite as defined as you do on the right-hand side with the silver frame. So aesthetics have no bearing on performance, but it's just how it looks on your home. And so that's going to be your first thing to consider. The second one is going to be efficiency. Now, this is a common misconception. Most people think that the higher efficient solar, or I'm sorry, the higher wattage solar panel is the most efficient solar panel, but the reality is that's not necessarily true. So on the left-hand side here, we've got a solar panel spec sheet pulled up. It's just a Jinko 470 watt panel. But the thing about this, interestingly, is it's just a very large panel, right? It takes up 24, a little over 24 square feet of roof space. And so when we take the watts divided by the area, it's 19.44 watts per square foot. In the middle, we have a 390 watt panel. So if you're comparing a 470 versus a 390, you might think, well, I don't even want to look at that 390 watt panel. It's just not nearly as efficient. Well, the reality is it's actually more efficient, right? It's much smaller footprint. It's only just under 20 square feet, and it results in 19.68 watts per square foot. And on the right-hand side, we have one of the more efficient solar modules on the market. It's an REC 400 watt Alpha Pure series, just under 20 square foot, so about the same size as that Meyer Burger. Again, it's 410 watts compared to 390, but that results in about 20.58 watts per square foot. Now, even though the one here on the right is the most efficient, generally, as the efficiency level goes up, so does the price. And so I wouldn't necessarily get hung up on how efficient is the solar panel, because all that really means is how many square feet of your roof is it taking up to produce that same amount of watts. In most cases, especially here in Wisconsin, we're not necessarily limited by the roof space. And so, if that means we have one extra solar panel up there, again, it might be more affordable to have more and less efficient solar panels than fewer and more efficient solar panels. Again, talk to your solar contractor, ask them to price out different options for you. But again, don't get hung up on exactly how efficient is a solar panel. It's really not that big of a deal. And finally, the warranty. This is where I would spend time looking at what is the warranty of the solar panel. So a typical warranty has three different components, two for sure, and a third is a possibility. So the first one is going to be the product warranty. Most solar panels have a 12 to 25-year product warranty, and that's really talking about, are there defects in the way that panel was produced? I wouldn't get hung up on that one either. I've been doing solar installations here in Wisconsin for 15 years, and I cannot say I've seen one product warranty claim. They come, they're produced, very high quality solar panels. There's very few defects. If we do, we see it when we pull it out of the box and we install a new one. The installer should take care of that. But once those panels are installed on the roof, I've never seen a product warranty claim, so I wouldn't get hung up on that. The middle one here, the 25-year performance warranty, that one, in my opinion, is the most important. So definitely take a look at the performance warranty, and I'll dive into that in just a second. And the third component is the labor warranty. Very few solar panel manufacturers have a labor warranty, and that's usually reserved for the more premium brands. So performance warranty, let me look at a couple of different, again, this is from each different spec sheet, and this is where you really want to look. So the performance warranty is, at year 25, what is that warranted or guaranteed output going to be? So the first one here, upper left, this is Meyer Burger, a premium brand. It's warranted at 92% output of original output at year 25. So it's only degrading about 0.25% per year. Okay. The right-hand side here, this is an REC, again another premium brand, same thing. 92% at year 25, and that's a 0.25% annual degradation rate. Q cells, maybe not quite as premium, but that one's going to be 86% guaranteed or warranted output at year 25. And then the bottom right, this is from the Jinko panel. It's a 12-year product warranty, 25-year power warranty, but this is a 0.55% annual loss. So that's going to be more in that low 80s, 83, 84% warranted output. Now, as you consider all these, again, I wouldn't necessarily say, hey, I need the most efficient or I need the very best warranty, because as you get the most efficient, as you get the best warranties, the price just continues to climb. So I like all four of these brands, and we use them in different situations. Generally speaking, for people who plan on living in their home long term, right, have no plans on moving, or perhaps this is going to be their home for as long as they know, unless something crazy happens, then maybe in that case, and we look at the Meyer Burgers, the RECs of the world, we spend a little bit more money. It's not a lot more money, but a little bit more money for the best panels with the best warranties, labor reimbursements, all of that stuff. Now, there's a lot of people that say, hey, I want to do what I can for the time that I'm in this house. And so they might only live there for another 5 or 6, maybe 10 years, and they plan on leaving or moving. If that's the case, then there's no harm in going with a Jinko type solar panel. Yes, the degradation rate's a little bit higher, but again, I wouldn't get hung up on that. If you're going to be leaving in 5, 10 years, the loss, right? If we're looking at the lost production because it's degrading a little bit faster, it's very minimal. In a lot of cases, the payback, which most people are interested in, which we'll talk about in another video, the payback is really what's driving their purchase decision. So how quickly can they get their money back out? And that's likely going to be more of this more affordable Jinko type solar panel. Again, I'm not endorsing REC or Meyerberger or Jinko or Q-Cell. There's dozens of solar panels out there, many of them very high quality, but these are just a few of the things that I would encourage you to look at. So again, we've got aesthetics. How does it look on your home? The efficiency. How many square feet does it take to produce the amount of energy that you want? And then finally, the warranty, 25-year warranty. Is there a labor warranty component of it? And then what's the annual degradation rate? So I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to the next video.